Understanding why structured data matters in local SEO. Structured data is a key part of local SEO. It allows you to connect with Google's search engine and tell it what information you have. So, when people search for certain things, they'll be able to find your business. Structured data is made up of two parts: schema markup and structured data annotations. Schema markup is a way for you to tell Google what your website is about, like if it's a restaurant or an event. Structured data annotations, on the other hand, are a way for you to tell Google exactly what type of information each piece of content on your website has. Moreover, structured data is a way of marking up your website with certain data formats that are recognized by search engines, like Google. Search engines use this structured data to automatically create rich snippets, which are graphical representations of your content in the search results page. Rich snippets are often used to display details about the business or person that owns the website, such as their address, phone number, and social media profiles. They also tell you how many reviews a business has received on Yelp or how many followers a person has on Twitter or Facebook. When you include structured data on your site, you're empowering search engines to display this information more prominently in their results pages. If you don't include it, these details might not be visible to searchers at all. There are many best practices when creating structured data for your website, but one of the most important is to make sure it's accurate. When creating structured data, it's important that you have a consistent and accurate way of representing the data on your website. For example, if you're creating a tag cloud that lists the top 10 attributes of your products, make sure those attributes are clear and understandable. You don't want potential customers to get confused about what they're seeing when they look at your site. Another best practice is to use human-readable text instead of codes or numbers for any information that'll be displayed on your site. This'll help people understand what they're looking at without having to manually decode anything first. Finally, make sure that every piece of data has a purpose. Don't just add extra elements because they might come in handy later. The more information you can provide about each product or service, the better. Want to increase your website's ranking for local search results? Visit linkdaddy.shop now and try our local SEO backlinks service to start getting higher SERP rankings than your local competition today with geo-relevant backlinks.